How to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on Windows 11. So if you want to fix the Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on your Windows 11, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the search and search for view network connections and click on it. And here you will have your Wi-Fi. So you just need to simply right click on your Wi-Fi and go with properties. Select the option of Internet Protocol version 4 and go with properties again. And now go with use the following DNS server address. And here you need to enter 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.1.0. Or you can also go with the other address, which is 8.8.8.8. And on the alternate, you need to go with 8.8.4.4. And after that, go with OK, apply and OK, and your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then right click on your Windows, go with run. Now under run, you need to enter a command, which is ipconfig space / flush DNS, and then go with OK. And after that, your problem might be fixed. If that also doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is just simply go with the search again and search for a device manager and open up the device manager. Under your device manager, you will have network adapters, and here you need to simply select your Wi-Fi. And once you've selected your Wi-Fi, you need to right click on it, go with update driver. Once you've updated your driver, then your problem might be fixed. So just simply go with search automatically for drivers, and if it says the best drivers for your device are already installed, then your problem might be fixed. But if you don't find the Wi-Fi name, if you are not being able to find the Wi-Fi name, then what you need to do is again go with the search, and under search you need to simply search for view network connections. And here you will have the Wi-Fi, which is Intel Wi-Fi 6 AX201 160 megahertz. So go with the same one, which is right here. In my case, it's the first one. So right click on it, go with the update driver, search automatically for drivers and install. Once you've done, then restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.